Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox keeps closing. To know how to fix Roblox keeps closing, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter two apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about this window of Roblox. When you'll find this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. When you'll find it, you can update your application here if you will find it in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.